Welcome to our SilverLeaf Multi-Order Management demo. SilverLeaf Multi-Order Management allows users to open multiple sales orders, transfer orders, quotes, or purchase orders at once in a single screen. Users can then edit any sales line detail, including quantity, variant, item, ship date, and more. This tool also supports edit and publish in Excel. Navigate to Sales Orders. Multi-Order Management works with transfer orders, sales quotes, and purchase orders as well. Select as many orders as you want to open all at once. You can filter on this screen to refine your search and selection. Click Manage Multiple Orders option from your Home tab. With personalization, users can promote this button to the most convenient placement for them. Once in the Multi-Order Management screen, users can filter or sort on any available field including item description, variant, genus, location, bin, quantity, price, and much more. For example, users can select an item description they want to find on all the orders opened on screen. Then click Filter to this value, and the filter will show this value, item in this example, for all records on screen. To edit multiple orders that are in released status, users can select those orders and click Reopen to begin editing those orders. Click Reopen. When reopening multiple orders, the user will be given the opportunity to confirm they want to continue. Click OK, acknowledging that the orders have been reopened. Now the user can begin editing details of the orders as needed. As demonstrated in the previous video, users can begin editing details such as the quantity of an item on multiple orders with ease. At any point in time, users can choose to open and edit all the orders in Multi-Order Management in Excel. Once edits are completed in Excel, users can publish back to Business Central. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how SilverLeaf can empower your operations from accounting and inventory to production processing and order fulfillment.